Hello students, yesterday we have learnt about constant, variable and then term expressions. Today we will learn about coefficient and polynomial, degree of polynomial. Okay, so coefficient is nothing but in any term, it's like you can say in general, it's like the partner, you can say for example, suppose if I write 2x, here 2 is called coefficient of x and x is called coefficient of 2. Only thing is, since 2 is a numerical, so we can say that it is called as a numerical coefficient. 2 is called numerical coefficient, and since x is a variable, it can be called as a variable coefficient or literal coefficient, because variable is also called as literal. Okay, so coefficient is nothing but it's like you will be identifying a partner of somebody. Let's say if we take an example 2xyz, suppose if I ask you to write coefficient of y, then what will you write? Coefficient of y means except y, whoever is there, they are all the coefficients. That means partners of y you are asking, which is nothing but 2xz. Suppose if I ask you to write coefficient of z, then who are the partners of z? 2xy. That means this is the coefficient of z. Okay, so coefficient is nothing but like the accompanying factors of a term. So this is a term. In any term, suppose if you want a coefficient of one piece, there is the constant or any of the variable. Other than that, remaining all will be called as coefficients. Okay, so after this, now we will go for polynomial. Polynomial is nothing but it's an expression itself. Polynomial is an expression itself having a two or more than two terms. But one condition here is the powers of the variables should be whole number. Let's say if I take one example, 5x minus 7y plus 6xy may be 9x square. So this is a polynomial having 4 terms. Okay, polynomial having 4 terms. It can have 2 or more than 2 terms. But one condition here is the powers of the variables here should be whole numbers. It is nothing but powers should not be negative, powers should not be fractions. Power should be whole number. Okay, so then only we can call it as a polynomial. After knowing about the polynomial, we have one more term to learn, that is called degree of the polynomial. Degree of the polynomial is nothing but you are just identifying the highest power of variable in the polynomial. Okay, suppose if you see this polynomial, which is the highest power? Here the power of variable is 1, here it is 1, here power of these two if you mix it will come 2, here the power is 2. So totally if you see the highest power is 2, so therefore you can call it as degree of this polynomial is 2. Sometime you will get the polynomial of this kind, like 5xy maybe plus 7yz plus x cube plus 3y. Here the degree, here these two together it is 2, these two together it is 2, but the degree of the highest variable is, the power of the variable is 3. So degree of the polynomial is 3 because that is the highest power. Okay, thank you.